You've always known BatchLeads for its off-market leads, but what if your investing strategy focuses on market? You asked, we listened. We just made it easier to target active listings. With our new lead finder with built-in ARV filter, you can identify the perfect leads with just a few clicks. Plus, with BatchLeads' most accurate listing data, you can rest assured you're getting the freshest opportunities. You ready to see how it works? Let's do it. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you more educational content for free. Okay, so I'm here in the property search section of the BatchLeads app. I'm going to enter my location as I usually do. And now I'm going to head to the advanced search filter and look for lead finder. Here I can choose my strategy, off market or on market. The great thing is that over here on the right, we have common filters automatically applied, and the number of properties that match that criteria are listed without even hitting apply, which is a huge bonus. So if you've ever looked through our platform and thought, oh my God, I have no idea where to start, this is exactly how you do it. Now, BatchLeads has a lot of these filters in separate categories, but we've put the most common ones under lead finder so you can adjust as needed, and the filters along the side should change. We still have those filters under those different places, but we've put them at the top also so you can adjust as needed. One new filter I want to point out is the deal potential. So this is incredible, you guys. It's like the easy button that you've been waiting for. Here you can choose between spread, which is the amount of potential profit, or the ARV percentage, which analyzes a property's after repair value and helps you identify properties that have a listing price under a certain percentage of the ARV. This is where some of you might use the 70 or 75% rule. And this basically means that the properties might make a decent profit. This is going to help you identify opportunities for fix and flips, rentals, and BRRRR properties a lot faster. Next on the list are quick filters. So you might be familiar with our quick filters along the bottom of the property search screen, but you'll notice I can't layer them or combine them with other filters. Like, what if I want to see how many vacant properties are in pre-foreclosure? I couldn't do that before. But check this out. We now have a section where you can select one or more quick filters. You can also combine these with other advanced filters. So if I want to identify tired landlords over the age of 60, I can do that right here. Lastly, let's talk about agent outreach. We've reworked the tool to make it easier for you to use. Under advanced search, you can now sort by data points like city, average listing price, number of active listings, and more. Choose any agent from your search or from your agent lists and sort by listing status, city, price, or any of the other header options. And there you have it. Whether you're working an on or off market strategy, BatchLeads is committed to making your job easier so you can make more money. Keep an eye out. We have some pretty big upgrades in the works, so we'll keep you posted. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you more educational content for free. I'm Amy Waz with Batch Service. We'll see you next time.